Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sketch and color grapes. So for that, what you need is your pencil, eraser, paper and some paint. So let's get started. Alright, I took my paper vertically and then I'll start from a two curved line. One curved line here, and next to that you make another curved line. Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, see, some grapes we can see it from the front, and some grapes we can see a little bit from the back. So we'll just make a couple of circles, like a whole circle, and couple of them we'll just make, suppose this one, like a half circle. It's a little bit hidden. This is in the front, this is the back, right? And then I'm gonna make one more here, and you can just continue the same thing, make half circle, make full circle. So the grapes comes like around this way, so from thicker to thinner, so you have to maintain the same shape. So right now over here I'm just connecting this part a little bit, because this is at the front and this is close to each other. And do not make a similar size. Yeah, make some of them a little bit bigger and some of them a little smaller, because not each and every grapes are same size, right? And see, I'm maintaining the same shape, but it does not matter, it's in the same line. Okay, you can just go a little uneven. See, this is nature, and nature is like, no, never too much even. So there is a lot of unevenness. And then if you see, I'm just making the half circles in between those two. Do not make like exactly on top of that. Okay, so try to make sure it's in between something. Very good. I'm gonna make a couple more. Take your time, make your own shape. You don't have to follow exactly like mine. But see how full it is, it's very fuller. Alright, so we're almost done here. So that's for me, and if you want to extend a little bit, you can, some area. So what I'm doing, I'm making a curvy line which will come, twist and go up from here. Can you try one more? Come down, make a twist and go over here, and that's it. So you can just keep it like that, or if you want to add some more, one or two more, you can. Now for the leaves, what I'm doing first, making a big curved line, like a nice and big curved lines. Okay, very good. Now then, can you leave some spot here, leave some extra gap, and from here make a little mark. Very good. Now I'm going a little curvy to the right, coming back down here, went a lot curve up but smaller curve down, then make another big curve here, a smaller part came over here, then one more which we're gonna connect all the way to the end. Very good. Can you try the same thing on the other side? But this side, most of the part like will be hiding behind this grape, so this part we cannot see, so we can just make this line, repeat this line here. Now we'll repeat this one over here, so make a curved line going up, that's it. Now repeat this one here. Very good. Now one more, so we're gonna connect
this one from here to all the way here. Very good. And you can just make a little curved line here to connect this. So that's it. With that, we are done with the sketching, and now we'll start doing the coloring. Oh, I forgot to add 2 lines here. Just make some lines inside. So let's start coloring. So for the coloring, what you need a brush, and you need green for the leaves, brown for the stems, and then I'm gonna use my violet for the grapes, and a little bit of blue I like to use. Just some areas we can leave a little bit more darkness, so for that I took my blue. So that's all. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take my violet, and what I'm doing, you have to color one grape at a time. Okay, do not color all of them together. Color one of them at a time. And then see, when I'm coloring, I'm leaving some little white gap over here for the reflection. So you can do that, and do that the same thing for each of your grapes, but do not make keep too much reflection. You can just keep a little bit of reflection. And yes, you can use your oil pastel, or you can use your crayon to color the grapes. That's absolutely okay. I would say go with the oil pastel instead of doing with the crayons. Right, very good. So you can repeat the same thing, and then try to maintain this reflection thing from one direction. Try not to do it from different direction, because not all the time that happens. The lights are coming from all the sides, so I'm maintaining this one at the top, mostly top right. So just top right and top middle. So you can just maintain the same thing, and you don't have to do it on all of them. Some grapes you can just literally color everywhere. Okay, you don't have to follow the same thing for each and every grape, but just couple of grapes you can just do that. Right, and make sure you do the edges very nicely. The edges are very round, otherwise your grape will look, more squares. So try to maintain the same. See, when I'm going to the edge, I'm getting very gently, very slow and careful. See, first I'm making the curved line, and then I'm literally filling them inside here. Beautiful, very good. So let me finish this one, and you can take your time and finish all of them, and then we'll add our blue a little bit for the reflection. Right. Alright, so we are almost done here. If you see, when I'm moving my brush, I'm moving it like in a circular motion. I'm not going any left to right motion here. So I'm just using very circular motion to fill all of the gaps. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna wash my brush, and I'll take my darker blue, and then I'll add that blue. Just do not take a lot of them. What you can do, you can mix them with your purple a little bit, so it will have that purplish color. And then you can add some shading underneath, mostly underneath part, because the light hits underneath, or this like little joints. You don't have to follow exactly the same I'm doing, but yeah, just to create that shade, create that shadow. So we are doing this one. Yep, very good. And that's it. Do not do all of them. Keep a couple of them very simple. Don't repeat the same thing on each and every one. So just Maybe some of them is fine. Oh my, this grape is really big. All right, very good. Now I'm gonna take my green and then I'll start making a curve from here, and then I'll just add a little bit of water with my green, make sure it's a little watery, and then fill the color inside. Make sure you go a little slower around the edge and then color here. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any video which I upload every week. See, I opened this channel. This is a very new channel, so I get very good motivation if you do like those videos, or if you leave me some comments. I upload the shorts, so over there you can leave me some comments. So yeah, that's give me a lot of motivations. All right, so I am done with my green here. Okay, now I'm gonna take a comparatively smaller brush. This is a very small and thin round brush. So I'm gonna take my brown in this brush and then try to trace this line over here. Try to go a little gentle. Take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. Very nice. That's it. And then for the stem, what I'm doing here, I'm applying my green, and next to the green, I'm doing my brown for just a tiny bit of shade. All right, so that's it. That's all, guys. You did very good. Good job. And please let me know how you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you in my next episode. Bye bye.